The good news is, Setmore makes exporting your customer list a relatively straightforward process. It's a crucial feature for anyone looking to maintain control over their data, analyze client trends, or diversify their marketing efforts. Think about it. Your customer list is arguably one of your most valuable assets. It represents the people who trust your services, the individuals who contribute to your bottom line, and the foundation upon which you can build lasting relationships. Having the ability to export this list empowers you to leverage that data in countless ways, beyond the confines of Setmore itself. Before we dive into the step-by-step instructions, let's briefly touch upon why this capability is so important. Imagine you're planning a special promotional offer for your most loyal clients. Having their email addresses readily available in a downloadable format means you can effortlessly upload them to your preferred email marketing platform and craft a personalized campaign. Or perhaps you're considering integrating a new customer relationship management (CRM) system. Exporting your Setmore customer list is the first essential step to migrating your existing data and ensuring a smooth transition. Even for simple record-keeping, having a readily accessible CSV file of your clientele provides a valuable snapshot of your customer base at any given time. It allows for offline analysis, quick lookups, and even serves as a vital backup in case of unforeseen circumstances. So, how exactly do you liberate your customer list from Setmore and put it to work for you? Let's walk through the process, ensuring you understand each step to successfully export your valuable data. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Setmore account. Make sure you're using your administrator credentials, as you'll need the necessary permissions to access and export customer data. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your familiar Setmore dashboard. This is your central hub for managing appointments, staff, and, of course, your customers. Now, look for the navigation menu, typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Customers or Clients, depending on your Setmore version. Click on this. This action will take you to your Customer Management section, where you can view, edit, and manage all your client profiles. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. You'll see a comprehensive list of all your customers, along with basic information like their name, contact details, and perhaps their last appointment. Once you're in the Customers section, you'll need to locate the Export option. This is usually represented by an icon, often a downward-pointing arrow, or a button explicitly labeled Export. In some versions of Setmore, you might find it under a More Actions or Menu, so if you don't see it immediately, click around to explore the available options within that section. Setmore's interface is generally very intuitive, so finding this shouldn't be too challenging. Upon clicking the Export button, Setmore will typically present you with a few choices regarding the export format. The most common and widely compatible format is CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. A CSV file is essentially a plain text file that stores tabular data in a structured format, where each line represents a data record, and each record consists of one or more fields, separated by commas. This format is universally recognized by spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple Numbers, making it incredibly versatile for data manipulation and analysis. It's also the preferred format for importing into most CRM systems and email marketing platforms. While Setmore might offer other formats, CSV is almost always the best choice for exporting customer lists due to its widespread compatibility. After selecting CSV as your export format, Setmore will usually prompt you to confirm your decision or might simply begin the download automatically. If prompted, confirm the export. The download process itself is typically very quick, especially for smaller customer lists. For larger databases, it might take a few more seconds, but generally it's a very fast operation. Once the download is complete, you'll find the exported CSV file in your computer's default Downloads folder. The file name will usually be something descriptive, like Setmore_customers.csv or customer_list.csv, followed by a date or timestamp. Now that you have your customer list in a CSV format, what can you do with it? The possibilities are vast. Open the file with your preferred spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets to view and organize your data. You'll see your customer information neatly arranged in columns with headings like first name, last name, email, phone number, and any other custom fields you might have set up in Setmore. From here, you can clean up the data, remove duplicates, or add additional information. You can use spreadsheet functions to sort your customers by various criteria, filter them based on specific attributes, or even perform basic data analysis to identify trends. This raw data is a goldmine for understanding your customer base better. Beyond simple viewing and organization, the exported CSV file can be used for a multitude of purposes. You can import it into your email marketing service provider, e.g., MailChimp, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, to send out newsletters, promotional offers, or important announcements directly to your clients. This is an incredibly powerful way to stay engaged with your audience and drive repeat business. Furthermore, if you're transitioning to a new CRM system, e.g., HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho CRM, the CSV file is your ticket to seamlessly migrating your existing customer data. Most CRM platforms have an import function that supports CSV files, allowing you to populate your new system with all your valuable client information in just a few clicks. This saves you an immense amount of time and effort compared to manual data entry. You can also use this data for targeted advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook or Google Ads. By uploading your customer list, you can create custom audiences, reaching out to people who are already familiar with your business or finding new customers who share similar characteristics to your existing clientele. This is a highly effective way to maximize your advertising spend and achieve better results. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.